Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So then all we have to do is to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. So here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you'd like to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some options. Here we've got basic ones, and here advanced, like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you'd like to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 24 hours or even all time, and then simply tap on clear data. Here we've got the information about the history, so as you can see we just successfully removed it. Of course, if you'd like to, you can enter the history again, so three dots icon, the history. Oh, I thought that we will be able to check the empty list of visited websites, but as you can see here we've got our evidence. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.